Hi foodies, come let's make some rich coconut curry shrimp together. First, I had a little olive oil to a Dutch pot with some chiffon butter and let that melt down. Once the butter melts, we're going to go in and add some chopped garlic. Saute this for about 30 seconds or so, and then I'm going to go in and add some onion. Let everything come together so that all the flavors can really build and we have a nice food at the end. So take your time. Next, I'm going to go in with some tomato paste. Let the tomato paste sit in the pot and fry for a couple seconds before you start moving it. So I had some frozen tomato in the fridge. I'm going to go in and toss that in the mixture. This is optional. You don't have to use any tomato. So once the tomato them start get mushy, I'm going to go in and add some coconut milk. You can also use heavy cream if that's what you have. Now it's time for the good part. You can grate in some Parmesan cheese, and then we're going to season with Old Bay seasoning, some red pepper flake for that spice. I'm going to go in with some complete seasoning also. To that, I'm going to add some red and green bell peppers along with some carrot. Combine everything well. So we're going to give that a taste test to make sure the flavor nice and right, just the way I like it. Then in goes the shrimp. The shrimp was washed and soaked into salt and lime water. Now let's combine everything together. So we're going to mix the ingredients together properly. And then we're going to just cover the pot. Cover the pot, let it simmer. Don't put the pot on low heat if you're going to create a lot of water. And cook the shrimp for about roughly 6 to 7 minutes. And there you have it. Your nice, flavorful, creamy coconut shrimp. Guys, hope you enjoyed this one and I'll see you in another one. Bye.